Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Ethereum, its valuations against Bitcoin, measuring the move after the weekly close of last week. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, with Ethereum, it has been on an incredible run since the beginning of October. Um, to where we From October to where we rallied 40%, almost 40% against Bitcoin. Although this week we are down 1.5% for the week. We are about 3% down for today. Regardless, we had a 13% move up that broke us above this structure. We broke out of this structure where we see this downward line of resistance and this upward line of support. We're able to break through. Now, the breakthrough is great, but we are not out of the woods yet, so to speak. We talked about that. Even though Ethereum did break out, if the weekly candle came back down inside the structure, then I would say that this doesn't exist, and we are still within this structure. Having said that, it is Friday. There's 2.5 days left in the week, and Ethereum would have to drop roughly 8.5% to get back into the structure. Now, I'm not saying that's impossible. That's totally within the realm of possibilities. But we would like to see Ethereum not necessarily hold this level, but at least stay above this line here. And you can see that today has been a day of kind of just bearishness, right? Ever since the 9th, around 3 a.m. UTC time, we saw the trend to start to go down. So I'm not going to be here speculating on the hourly chart. I mean, you could pull up so many stuff. You could use this little bottom here as a support level. You can then refer to the line, this downward line of resistance, as the back test. But I think in the end, as long as Ethereum closes above this structure, we should be fine. We already had one test of the resistance line turning into support back on the third. We came back down to this level. We actually wicked to it on the hourly, as you can see. Um, and we held it, and then we rallied up. So here's hoping for a second time, and at least for the new week, for this week at least, that we hold it, back test it, and hopefully for the new year, Ethereum can continue rallying. That's essentially it. That's all I'm waiting for. When we look at the US dollar, you can see that we're holding $4,000 very well. We've been holding it for weeks. And it's essentially just referencing these two moves here, which were resistance, now turned into pretty solid support. If anything, maybe Ethereum's going to be oscillating through this area for the time being. With that said, I think Ethereum is probably the strongest looking altcoin or cryptocurrency asset right now in the market, even comparing it to Bitcoin, which is between its 20-week and 50-week moving averages. In fact, that it's fighting on top of the 50-week right now. So, with that said, we shall see how this plays out. Uh, anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.